Okay guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to create courses on your Thrivecart account. All right, so I recently created created my course on the Thrivecart, my first ever digital product course, and within about 2 weeks I made about $1,000. This is my very first time, very first time selling courses on Thrivecart, and I made about $1,000. So here, not bad if you ask me. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your course with Thrivecart Learn, Learn platform, which is a membership platform on Thrivecart. Okay. So this is for the product. This is here you see, here you'll be able to see create a product, and I built my checkout page using Thrivecart. But if you like to host your course, or maybe you want to give your student access to your membership site, after using checking out on your Thrivecart checkout feature. So you just go to do this, you go to the the Thrivecart Learn feature here. So from here, this is the Thrivecart Learn. This is Thrivecart Learn. I'm on the Pro plan. So here you see, this is the course I made. I have about 20 students on 20 students here, and I have other bonuses too. I have other students as well. So what you do to create your course on Thrivecart Learn, you click on create course, and you would name your course. So let's take for instance. So you can also create projects. So right now I have about let me cancel this. Let me show you something a bit. Here I have about 4 projects. Okay, so I can decide to add my course to any of the projects, or I can decide to create a new project. Okay, so then for this, let's say I'm creating a new course, and I'll add a course in a project. Maybe I'll add it in in any of these projects, or maybe I can decide to create a new project right here. Decide to create a new project here, and name it here. But let me create a new course in an existing project. So this project is CPB, which is my new affiliate marketing and SEO course, affiliate SEO course, by the way. And this is CPB, and the content profit blueprint. So here I will just go ahead and name the course. Let me see. What am I doing? Blogging for business course, or SEO for business. You alright? So this will be SEO for business. So the author will be, this can be personal name or brand. So let me just write my name here, Chris Steven. All right. So you can choose to upload your course logo, choose to upload your course profile image. Let me upload my course profile image in a bit. All right, so I've uploaded my course profile image. Then the course description, I'll just you need to write your business on Google and get unlimited customers and clients for free. Unlimited. Okay, let me change this to says for free without paid ads. All right. Without spending a dime. All right. Okay, so let me do this SEO for business, and so support. So this is going to be my main email address, or maybe I can just oops, what did I just do? Oops. Okay. I think I clicked something there by mistake. But anyways, so let me just do this. Okay. then customize this, then course content. So we are right here in the course content. So here you have to go ahead and add, create your module, create your first module, then you create a module. Inside your module you create a lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. So the first module would be introduction. Introduction introduction to SEO. Okay, so also create my module. Okay, so this is going to be the first module. Okay, introduction to SEO. Then I will go ahead and add a lesson. So the first lesson is going to be why SEO matters. Okay, then create my lesson. So I create a lesson. Then I'll also clone this and rename this. The next lesson would be, the next lesson is going to be who am I and why should you listen to me? Okay, so this should actually go above this. Listen to me. Okay, so why SEO matters, and okay, this introduction, why SEO matters. Okay, let me also let me also clone this. Okay, what is SEO? SEO for businesses. Okay, then let me edit this. Why SEO matters for your business. Okay, so this is the first introduction. Then we'll go ahead and you go ahead and edit each of these lessons one after the other. So if you get into here, just click on edit. Then from here you can go ahead and add in your video, add in your text. Then if you have a if you have a video on YouTube, on Wistia, on Loom, or wherever you recorded your video outside, because you can't host your video on Thrivecart. So that is one thing you should know. You can't host your video on Thrivecart. Thrivecart doesn't have a native video hosting solution. So you have to go ahead and add a video video element here. You add a video element, then you can choose to embed your video. So probably you hosted your video on YouTube, on Wistia, on Vimeo. You can just go ahead and embed it here. You can also change the size of your video here. Go ahead and change the size of your video, or you can reduce the size of your video. Then you can add the text here. Add the text about a little bit about your video. Then put your stuff here, who am I, introduction to SEO. So the module is going to be right here. Then you talk about the title, who am I, and why should you listen to me, and okay, then you can also choose to add a button here. You can choose to add a download link, bullet, FAQs, content boxes. You can also decide to change the color of all these things, and just pretty easy here. Then you can choose to add an image. Select your image here and all that. So this is you can choose to, let me delete this. So you can choose to add an image. You can also add another heading here. So the next lesson automatically is going to be what is SEO for businesses. All right. You can choose to add a divider here. Add a divider. You can increase the size of your divider. Just really, really nice stuff. Then you can save as draft. So you can save this as draft. It goes back to. Then the same thing. The next lesson, you edit your next lesson. You edit all the lesson. Then next, you can create another module here. You can choose to create another module, or the best way I would do this is just clone the introduction module here, and getting then here the next module. So I clone this. So I cloned the intro part. Next module will be let's say basics of SEO. All right. So this is going to be the basics of SEO. All right. So then the next one would be 3 kings of SEO. 3 kings of SEO. All right. Okay, then this is going to be okay, understanding okay, how you make money, okay, from SEO. Okay, I think I didn't save this. Let me see, getting the basics. Okay, so getting the basics. Then next would be why SEO, how to make money from SEO. So I need to, clone this, clone it. So then I'll make this second part, the second module, like 4 lessons. So that is how you go about, edit. So you can also go ahead to add, change, get a mock-up for your course. You can add a mock-up here, edit your mock-up here. Then whenever, if you are done, editing your section, editing your modules and lessons, and you're about to let it go live, make sure these are all in draft, right? So make sure you click on this and you publish. So if you publish a module, the entire lesson in that module is going to be published. So let's see, these are all in draft, right? So I change this up to published. This is save. Publish. So you see published. There are 4 lessons in this. Published lessons. So all these lessons are published. Then you can choose to unpublish this, publish the individual lessons. This is draft, so it's not going to publish. So let me change this back to draft. So make sure whenever you're done, you publish your courses. Okay, then you can also choose to drip feed all these courses, time period, day of the month, and also after trial or review. These are really nice options with Thrivecart Learn, which is really, really nice. Okay, so course option, you can choose to support email, pause dripping new content until payment is made, or disable access until payment is made. So this is really, really nice, nice stuff here. Then you can choose to customize your registration page, which is really cool. Then behavior rules, you can also choose to add your student to your email autoresponder, whichever one you do. So you can choose to when a student get access to this course, or when when a new module becomes available, or when a student is paused, you can add different tags, different segments and all that to your email autoresponder. So this is your registration page. You can choose to this is how your registration page would look like. Okay, so you can choose to add your heading, add headings to all these. Okay, this is add heading, add text, add bullet points, change all this, change the color, change the font, change the styles and all that. All right, so okay, no, I'm not finished. So let me you can choose to save this and come back. I also choose to customize your login page, which is also pretty cool here. Then you can choose to preview. These are a cool option to preview your course here. You can choose to preview your course on the let's see what we have here. So as you can see, this is so far what we have so far. We've not added much much content here, as you can see. So this is how you view your course. You can also choose to SEO for put your branding or logo here. Okay, So let me just go ahead and save this and exit. So that is how I would go about, customizing your course on. Very easy though, very easy. Go to dashboard, okay? Very easy to customize your courses on the SEO for business. You see it, I can go back to edit, preview, or let's say you want to give a free access, like free course access to your student, maybe as a gift or bonus or whatever. You can quick link. So this quick link will give, and you can just send this quick link to anybody, and they will log into your course. All right. So that is all with creating and customizing your course on Thrivecart. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you do, and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be creating more and more tutorials on Thrivecart, marketing tools, funnel builders, and all that. So that is all for this video. I'll also leave a link. Make sure you check the description to get the link. If you're not a Thrivecart user, click the link in the description to get started with Thrivecart. And if you get started with my link, by the way, I'll throw in some bonuses here, like bonuses to my course, to my content profit blueprint course on how I make over 100,000 per year with affiliate marketing, SEO. It's a pretty good course, and I have about 20 students right on my course. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.